morning, YouTube. This morning we are going to be needing a resistance band off of a high anchor for our squat challenge. We're going to be doing X squats. They're going to take some explanation. You're going to need to know exactly what I'm talking about here. It's pretty simple once you get it. You're going to need your resistance band off of your upper anchor, high as you can go off of your door if you've got it. I have a pole in my basement that I've got straps attached to. I want to take a moment and show you what you're going to be doing with your feet for these X squats. You're going to be holding the resistance band in your hands, resistance band in hand, and you're going to squat down and go squat down, together, out, in, out. And that's one. The whole time you're going to be doing this, you're going to be trying to keep down. That's 2, 3. You're going to be trying to keep down, and you're going to be keeping moving. So this is a great cardio one. 5, 6, and you want to keep hold of that resistance. 7, 8, 9, 10, kind of like playing hopscotch with resistance bands. You're gonna notice that you get a little bit of air, and it's a fun one. I have to admit, this is one of my favorites. 14, 15, which puts us in the home stretch, and whoa, 17. Gotta fix my map. 18, that one was messed up. I'm not counting it. There we go. 18, 19, 20. Part of the reason why I like that squat so much is because of the cardio. It's fun and you get to jump around, but also you're working your upper body while you are doing those squats. Your back and arms are getting a constant hold from that resistance band. And that resistance band is there more to pull you in and not necessarily give you resistance on your legs. So it's a great exercise. If you've got resistance bands, you really should think about incorporating that one into your workout. See you tomorrow.